The next question. Okay, the next question. Next question says, using a ruler and a pair of compass, only construct a trapezium WXYZ such that side WX is 8 cm, side XY is 5.5, XZ is equal to 8.3 cm, WXY, angle WXY is what? 60 degrees. And WX is parallel to what? ZY. Are we there?
Yes.
So my target is what? Is how to draw what? Trapezium. Now if I look at the angle, notice that I have something there. Okay? I have three sides. So I don't know which one to draw first. But you can choose any one of your choice. Okay? But if I want to choose, I will choose the one whose alphabetical arrangement corresponds with the what? Alphabetical arrangement of the what? Of the angle. Okay? A situation whereby both of them appear in the angle. I'll choose the one with the longest side. Okay? Alright, so I have WX. WX is here, right? I have YX. YX is here. Sorry, XY is here. But here I don't have XZ. Okay? So but these two appear in this angle, right?
Yes.
So I'll choose the one with the highest what with the highest side. Okay? Now you can as well choose 5.5. Okay? Is your choice. So I'm going with WX. Okay? So first of all, I'll draw a line. Okay? I'll draw a line of no measurement. A line of what? Of no measurement. Okay? I have this line of no measurement. Okay? Now I have my compass. Now look at this compass. Look at this compass. It's not measuring what? 8 cm. Okay? So, have you measured 8 cm?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go there and draw 8 cm. Okay? Let's draw 8 cm. So, I'll make what? An arc. Come here. And do what? And make what? An arc. So this is giving me what? 8 cm. Okay? So this is a W. S. Okay? And it's what? 8 cm. Okay? Alright. Now, what is the next thing here? Next thing is what? Is to place my what? Angle. Okay? So my X is available here. X is available here. So I need to get to a 60 degrees. Okay? So I'll make what? I'll draw a semicircle first. So I'll draw a semicircle. Okay? Then, don't change the radius. I'll place it here. And what? Make another what? That gives me what? 60 degrees. Okay? So you draw a line. Draw your line to get our 161 degrees. Okay, so I've gotten my 60 degrees. So here is my 60 degrees. Now, what is the next thing there? To look for the next one, side. Remember, I'm targeting on trapezium. Okay, now to look for the next side here. If I look at the next side here, you notice that here, this line now, okay?
Yes.
I have a line here, so that means X should be connecting to the next alphabet. Are we following now?
Yes.
Connecting to what? To the next what? Alphabet. Okay, now, if I look at it, I have, what is the next measurement here? I have what? X what? Y. Are we following now? I have what? X, Y. Are we there?
Yes.
Okay. So now, why am I not choosing this one? They are not completing the angle. Are we there? They are not complete what in the angle. So let's go with those ones. I have what? Now, what do I need to do now? I need to measure what? 5.5. So use your meter and measure what? Your compass and measure what? 5.5. So let me go and measure 5.5. So I've created out what? 3 points. 1, 2, 3. So I need to close before the what? Before what will come in? XC will come in, right?
Yes.
So now let's go. Watch. Let's close. This is 8.5, right? Well, 5.5, right?
Yes.
Now which point is open? W is open, right? Then place that where? At W. Do what? Take an R. You see it? Then measure WX. Measure WX. Which is what? ACM, right? You see that?
Yes.
So which point is open? That is open. But place it here. I do what? Make an R. Okay, so I didn't close this one. Let me close this one. Okay. I did see that. I've closed that one, right? Okay. So what follows? I'll close and okay, who has done this? Who has done this? Okay, nice one. Are you following? Huh?
Yes.
Are you following?
Yes.
Okay. So the next thing is what? Is to measure what? Is to measure what? 8.3. So let me go and do what? Measure 8.3. Okay. I've measured 8.3. Okay. I've measured 8.3. This is my what? 8.3. Have you done that too?
Yes.
Okay, 8.5. So 8.3. Now what do? They say XZ. That means Z should fall somewhere here. Since I've created what? A parallel line now, right? So it should fall what? Somewhere here. I'll do what? I'll place it here. And look for where it's going to cut the line. This is it. Anywhere it cuts the line. Anywhere it cuts the line. That place will serve as my what? My Z. Understood?
Yes.
So now, so here becomes my what? Z. Are you following now?
Yes.
Then become what? My Z. So this is my Z. So you're measuring what? Now this is a diagonal cutting. Okay? Diagonal cutting. So anytime you are being given a particular side that does not correspond with the shape, it shows diagonal cutting. Are we following now?
Yes.
So if you have any side that does not correspond with the shape, okay, it shows diagonal what? Cutting. So I have to go diagonal and do what? And cut. Now, what's the next thing there? Is since I've gotten this, right? So what I need to do now, I have to close to form the trapezium. Okay? Okay, so if I close, I'm going to have something like this. Alright. Now what type of trapezium is this? Skeleton, right? Now this is a scaling what? Trapezium. Okay? So, and what is my XZ? My XZ is what? Is what? 8.3. So I have to trace. Okay? Let me trace and have 8.3 there. So 8 trace and have 8.3. So trace all those measurements. Okay? So trace all those measurements. Okay, so I've gotten my 8.3. Okay, here becomes 8.3 CL. 8.3 CL. Are you there? So, and I have answered that question A, right? I've answered question A, so everything is complete. Now, watch it. They say WX should parallel to what? ZY. Are you following? Yeah. WS should what? Parallel to what? Z what? Y. I have achieved that. That's trapezium for you, right? Yes. Okay, so what's the next thing? They said a rectangle. Okay? Watch. A rectangle PQYZ. Where PQ are on the line W what? W what? S. Now watch. I want to draw a rectangle PQ. PQ, Y what? Z. Now, if you watch, out of these two now, two of the alphabets are present. Which is what? You grab now. Yes. So for me to draw a what? A rectangle, I have to draw a straight line. Are you there? Yes. A vertical line to touch what? The line what? W what? X. And from here, draw what? A vertical line, right? To touch what? The point what? W what? X. So that P and Q will be present on the line W what? X. Are you following? Yes. Now, who can tell me how to draw that straight line? Who can tell me how to draw that straight line? Huh? So that means I should place my meter rule and just draw a line. Really? Make what? A semicircle. That means you are now drawing what? 90 degrees. Are you there? Make what? A semicircle. And do what? Get 90 degrees so I can what? You have a vertical line touching here. Are we there? So I will come to where? I will come to Y and do what? Make what? A semicircle. Make what? A semicircle. Okay? Then come to Z. Do the same. So what do I need to do now? I need to bisect. Okay? Now if I bisect, I'll have that vertical line I will run and touch what? The line W what? X. Are you following? Yeah. So I'll do it here. Now I expand. Okay? So I expand. So if I place it here, I'll do what? I'll make an arc. Use it. Then place it here. And do what? Make an arc. Use it. Okay? Now that 90 degrees will form a straight line that will run and touch that line. WX. Did you see that? You see something like that. Now, I'm about to create what? A rectangle. You see it? So, I'll call here to be what? I'll not label. Leave it. Don't label. Don't label first. Okay? Deal with all these semicircles first. So, deal with it first. So, what you do here, close this gap. Close this gap so that you have this start point where you can bisect the semicircle. Okay? So, close that gap. Okay? So close that gap. Now I have closed that gap. I've gotten two standpoints now where I can do what? If I set the semicircle, which is here and what? Here. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, so I place my word. I come past here and do what? I'll make an arc. I'll make an arc. Then come here. And make an arc. You see that? So I have to clean up this. There should not be any clashing of what? Arc. So clean up this. Make sure there is no what? Any clashing of what? Arc. Okay? Clean up. So that each arc will be on its own. Okay? So when you have two arcs intersecting and none of them has any relationship with any measurement, it means that there's a point here. So the examiner will be doing what we'll be expecting what a straight line to come from there. Now you see that when I bisect, when I drew my arc, I notice that it's intersected with what? With this line, right? Forming two arcs. So that means if the examiner sees like this, we'll be expecting you to draw a line from there. So clean up. Allow all the arcs to be on their own. Okay? So what do? I join. Alright. I've ended up drawing a rectangle. Now what happened is how to label. Label can kill you. You might even get the diagram and do a wrong labeling, which will affect your measurement. Am I making sense? Yeah. So now what you are going to do what? Label. What? They said PQ Y what? Z. Now you see, watch. They said Y Z. These two alphabets appeared in the diagram, right? Are we there? Now what is the arrangement? Y Z, right? Y what? Y Z. What is the arrangement of these two alphabets? P Q. You see it now. So that means Y Z P Q. You see it now. It shouldn't be Y Z P Q. No, it's wrong. Watch the way this straight line was drawn. Watch it. Hello. Watch the way this straight line YZ was drawn. It's drawn this way. Y what? Z. Another straight line is what? P Q. That means where this one started is where this one is going to start. Under it, right? So watch it. Y Z. Y Z. So you started here to draw a straight line Z, right? Now what? Y Z. The next one, which is what my P Q should be what? You start again. Because this is where you kicked off from the first one. So the second line should kick off from that same spot. Are you there? Yeah. Which is what? P Q. P Q. Now somebody can get this diagram correctly. Are you there? And label wrongly and get a wrong measurement. So follow that word measurement. Okay, so I have Y Z, which is the second straight line there. We have P Q Y Z. That means Y Z. You come down, start from that same spot they gave, and read what? P Q. Understood? Yes. Okay. So now they said where PQ are on what? On line W what? X. Where PQ, the P and Q are what? On this line W what? X. You see it? Are you there? Yeah. Now they said measure side what? QX. QX. Now you see that? I didn't you put your interchange the alphabet now. And Q is here, and P is here. You see that the measurement for QX will be small. Yes. And that's the wrong measurement. So QX. So I have to measure my what? QX. So let me measure my what? QX and get the answer. QX. Okay, so I've gotten my what? My QX. Okay? What is your QX? Q what? X. Huh? 6 point what? 6.7. Okay. Alright, let me calculate my own. Okay. I'm having a 6.8 here. If you got 6.5, write it there. Okay? Write it was there. You got 6.7, write it there. Okay. Next one. Next one is what? They say angle W X. Sorry, angle what? Angle X W was Z. So where is what? Where is my X? X. Where is W? W. Where is Z? This. So they ask you to do what? Measure this what? Angle. Okay? Measure what? This angle. Measure what? The angle. So you have your protractor. Watch it. You have your protractor. You place it this way. Please let that symbol like this. Here, that opening here, the center. Let it be here. Let it be here. At this point. Are you seeing it? Let it be at this point. So I'll place it here. At that point. Okay? I place it here. Now, this line I see here, this line WS should align with what? With this line. Are you there? So let's what? Align with that point. With the alignment of the protractor. Okay? So this line WS should be in some alignment with what? The protractor. Are you following? So why the center here is will not be where at this point. Okay? Place it here. You see it? So I believe here should be reading 0 for you. Yes. Okay, now reading 0. So from here, from that 0, take it up. Follow this line. And check what the value is here. I'm having a, from my own local protractor, I'm having 72. 75. So I'm having so X, W, Z is what? I'm having what? 72. So your one can be what? 75. So I believe there will be an error here. Okay? Alright.
Thank you for watching.